Let me see if I can do it. Wait, okay. The battery's exhausted, but thanks to Jose for asking the lady for water. At least he's got water on his body now. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. But we can't stop all the ants. This is the best spot for it because it's wet. Yeah. Now you guys got me liking and wanting to save the worms. Because I was thinking, you know what you guys say, they're not harmful. I know they're not harmful. I believe it because they wouldn't have it on TV.
Well, that's a good idea.
Huh? Yeah, the hole?
Yeah.
Yeah. The ants are crawling all over it. I don't know if it's harmful to it. I don't know if it can hurt it.
No, it won't.
It won't? The ants won't bite? So if the ants are crawling on it, they won't bite it?
Well, they bite.
They bite it. See, that's what we're concerned about.
Blind.
Yeah, but that water's going to help the soil so hard and dry.
Oh, no.